If you're looking for a quick go-to strategy, or you've been researching strategies that you can incorporate into your lesson plans for effective lessons and delivery, then thinking maps might just be for you. Let's dive right in and look at the 8 thinking maps and maybe how we can use them in a sample lesson. First, you will notice that each of the 8 thinking maps is connected to a thought process. This is a circle map. It's used for defining in context. How are you defining this idea? What is your context? What is your frame of reference? Next, we see the tree map. It's used for classifying. What are the main ideas, the supporting ideas, the details in this information? Next, we see the bubble map. It's for describing qualities. What are you describing? Which adjectives would best describe this thing? Next, we see the double bubble map. It's used for comparing and contrasting. What are the similarities? What are the differences? Which qualities do you value most? Why? Next, we see the flow map. It's used for sequencing. What happened? What is the sequence of events? What are the substages? Then we see the multi-flow map. It's used for cause and effect. What are the causes and effects of this event? What might happen next? This is the brace map. It's used for part-whole relationships. What are the component parts and subparts of this whole physical object? Then we see the bridge map. It's used for seeing analogies. What is the analogy being used? What is the guiding metaphor? In first grade, students learn to read and use suffixes. During direct instruction, you might want to create a tree map to classify words with different suffixes. Here, the suffix is explained and accompanied by examples. Here, you have the rules for adding the suffix ed and the suffix ing through a flow map. For independent practice, you can have students construct words with suffixes using a multi-flow map or deconstruct words using a brace map. These maps can be pre-made or partially made by the teacher to provide scaffolding. They also provide opportunity for enrichment and may also serve as assessments. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're on your way to incorporating thinking maps into your everyday lesson planning.